Imagine a colossal aircraft carrier made not of steel, but ice. During World War II, Project Habakkuk aimed to revolutionize naval warfare. The brainchild of eccentric inventor Geoffrey Pike, the plan was to construct massive floating platforms using a novel material called pykrete, a mixture of ice and wood pulp. This unlikely invention promised immense durability and resistance to enemy fire. Churchill championed the project, envisioning it as a game-changer for Atlantic convoys. However, challenges like production costs and practicality led to its demise. Though never realized, Project Habakkuk remains a testament to wartime ingenuity and human imagination.